Dad, where are we going now?
We are going to buy new dresses.
Wow, from which shop we are going to buy?
Dad, don't buy from the shop from where we purchased it last time.
Why, Ali?
He never smiles.
Why are we buying new dresses now? Don't you need new dresses? Eid al-Fitr is coming next month. There is one more month for Eid al-Fitr. Why are we purchasing dresses so early? Why don't we buy it at the end of Ramadan?
Aisha, do you think that the last days of Ramzan is for shopping? In the sacred days and nights of Ramzan, we have to involve deeply in prayer, worship, and in other good deeds. Especially the last 10 days and nights are very worthy. At that time, we have to spend our time not in the market, which is favorite to Shaitan, but we have to spend it in masjid, which is favorite to Allah.
But most of the people think that the last 10 days of Ramzan are for shopping. The textiles are busy during that time.
That's why we decided to finish the purchase at the earliest.
Sister, I will get new dresses.
Huh? Not only for you. All of us will get new dresses. Isn't it, Dad?
Ali, need we buy a dress for Mom?
No need, Dad.
I will not talk to you then.
I told a joke. We will buy for all, huh?